This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Amanda Emanuel. Welcome home. Here is your chance to enjoy peace, quiet, and relaxation. Situated on 3.25 acres with no homeowners association, this home's open floor plan and bright light throughout will make life enjoyable for all members of your home. This newer built home is decorated with a modern farmhouse decor. The spacious rooms/closets and open floor plan will surprise you. The incredible owner's retreat will surely impress with its amazing flex space, oversized, luxury ensuite and dual walk-in closets. Bring the boat or RV and park it conveniently at your home. With an easy commute to nearby military bases and a short drive to downtown cities of Suffolk, Franklin, and other neighboring cities of Hampton Roads. This home was built by a local